Good morning, Salish. Okay, we are here in week 5 and we are learning about inheritance and genetic variations, which our essential question is how can siblings look so different if they share the same parents? And our standards that we're looking at today: develop and use a model to describe why asexual reproduction results in offspring with identical genetic information and sexual reproduction results in offspring with genetic variation. You're going to be learning all about that genetic variation and how that happens through Punnett squares. So, first off, you're in the welcome right here. Then we're moving into our inheritance and genetic variation preview. In this preview, you will not have multiple attempts. This is for me and for you to gather data on your growth through this unit. So you're going to do your best to answer the questions with what you know about genetic variation and inheritance right now, and you'll be able to grow. You'll be able to show me, demonstrate that growth in the quiz by the end of this unit. Okay, so the next step would be asexual versus sexual reproduction. You have a resource here, a really cool Learn Genetics resource. You're going to open that up, and then you're going to answer these questions based on the video and the readings that's in that resource. Okay, and make sure question 4 has another one of those videos linked there. Okay, number 4, I have a lot of resources on here for you. So this is going to be, don't pressure yourself too much. Don't stress out about this. If you get the general idea of Punnett squares, if you even can practice them and successfully do one, follow along, that will be amazing. I've never taught this online to students before, and this is a new concept for you. So we're all going to just do the best we can with this. And 7th graders, we may be doing some review. 8th graders, when you go into high school biology, I will be informing those teachers that you'll need a little practice before they dive right into dihybrid cross combos, and you get a little practice understanding of those monohybrid. So don't worry. Okay, so step 1, you're going to watch this video on inheritance. Miss Green made a PowerPoint and in a video that she made there, and then she actually does some practice here. So you can actually click on that and do some practice using a scratch piece of paper. You can have set that up and follow along with her. Some of the videos that I use in the classroom while we're practicing, we're doing a lot of hands-on and workshopping and exit tickets, are these videos here. So I just added all these videos down here. Some of you like certain videos more than others, and so I have this really great Learn Biology quickie here. I think this one's our 2-minute Punnett square basics, and we have Bozeman Science, which is another really great one. This is 12 minutes, so there's a little more in depth. And then my favorite, Amoeba Sisters. I know some of you love Amoeba Sisters, and others would prefer much anything else. But here they are right now, looking at adorable little. I think it's the guinea pigs. Okay. So you are not required to watch every single one of these videos. This really is a choose your own adventure learning. And we move on to 5. Now 5 is where you are actually making a monster baby. So this is your Punnett square practice. Do not freak out. If you cannot do this, you can send me an email. We can reach out. There's a lot of opportunities. This is open for you to practice as many times as you want. You're getting feedback on what's correct or not. So I'm here for you. And if you just don't get it, it's going to be okay. We'll figure out other ways where you can get it. This is not your only opportunity to understand Punnett squares. So you're going to do the best you can. And then 6, we have our vocabulary. Finish your vocabulary, turn it in, and you're good to go. Okay, you guys take care. I hope you have a great time with Punnett squares. I really enjoy doing Punnett squares once I understood them. They could be really fun. So I hope you too find some fun and joy in figuring out why someone in your family has blue eyes or brown eyes or whatever else. You guys take care. Bye.